so the flower is a little long. They don't want it too long. I'm gonna cut it from here. So we're gonna see how sharp these things are in the PLA. All right, this is a PLA. I'm gonna cut it. That's how simple it is. Into 3D printing. Check out these snippers. Now these come in different colors, different sizes. We're actually perfect timing because this one actually matches the rows that we're going to be cutting out. So the only reason I got them is because I do have some, but they're not good quality and they tend to break down and lose the sharpness. Now this is a little bit more finer, and I like that they come with the actual cover, if you guys can see. And they have the retractable spring, so you have to worry about that. If you guys can see it, these are perfect. They even have a little retractable area where it's supposed to just open up that wide, all right? So that's really good when it comes down to cutting models. You want to open them up because you might break them, but this is perfect. I like that they come with the little spring. You can see the quality of it. Let me show you guys how good of a quality it is, all right? So these have great grips. We're going to start using them because we got a lot of 3D models to actually start preparing. So let's go ahead and do that. So we're going to start cutting this and see how good they are, the snips. You guys can see, look how easy it is to cut PLA, all right? So most of the times when I'm doing this, I cannot get the larger ones in here. And look how simple it is to actually grab it from the middle. Look at that. Simplicity is what I'm looking for, and this is perfect. These in the middles are like, this one goes over it. I always tend to cut it from here first, so it will give you less support from the actual larger structure, and you could just easily put it out this way. On the stem, it's a little bit more difficult because the actual PLA goes all the way down, if you guys can see it. But this one, look at this. You grab it from there, you lift up the corners like that, and just go through the whole thing. This is the best thing. Look at that. It lifted. Once you get that lift, it's easy to actually remove the whole thing there. So getting the snips in there is the hardest thing first, all right? But once you do that, it lifts the whole thing up. And if you get stuck, like this, for example, here, you can just get the snips and pull the way. As simple as that. Right, so we can actually melt these and put it together, but I'm just going to show you the actual finished piece for now. And this is the actual twist on model. So I'm going to get maybe some heater and just melt these to the top and have them grab on pretty good. So very simple little rolls. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. So just took a big chunk out of it. Look how thickness of it. Easy.